Hey guys, guess where we are going? Kkanbu chicken. We're on our way to Kkanbu chicken, y'all. We walking there. There's a whole lot of traffic out. But first we gotta make a little stop. Be careful. Bye, Marcus. What's the matter? You wanna go in the store too? It's okay, they coming right back, okay? Okay, they coming. Let's see where they at. Oh. You got a lollipop?
Yeah.
Oh, you want your sparkling soda?
Marcus, you don't need no more candy, son. You want lollipop? We're about to get some chicken.
Yeah.
No lollipops. Kkanbu chicken. Kkanbu chicken. Kkanbu chicken. Kkanbu chicken. Stay next to the wall. It's a lot of traffic. Do your dance, Will. Do your dance. Hey, 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 hey. All right, stop at the corner, Marcus. Makari and McCoy. Everybody is hungry. Everybody got the jitters. Marcus falling off the scooter. His shoes on the wrong feet. Went to walk in the middle. What he do? What he do, babe? He falling off his. Uh-oh. Oh no. Woo! They better be careful. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's red. Run, run. Dang. We're gonna Kkanbu chicken. We're gonna Kkanbu chicken. We're gonna Kkanbu chicken. We're gonna Kkanbu chicken. Hey, 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 hey. We got the markets over here. We got the dogs over here. Not step on the dog. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry. Thank you. You said hi, doggy.
Hi, doggy.
We almost there. Oh, we here, y'all.
Get up here, Will. God. Oh.
But that place do look good. Kkanbu chicken, we here. Yup. Dang. Hi. You gonna sit? Makar, you gotta sit next to Woo. Sit next to Woo, baby. There you go. All right, Marcus, you gotta stick to your spot. Scoot over, Marcus. How you doing? Give it to McCoy.
They literally look just alike.
They look just alike.
언니 하나? 이렇게? 오케이.
That was real fast. Your fingers was doing this. I was looking and still didn't understand what she was doing. How did she understand? Yeah.
Mommy, let him off the table.
You got Coke markers in the house? Of course.
Yes.
Ketchup?
Let me see. No, that's chicken sauce,
치킨 소스,
onion,
머스터드,
onion sauce, honey mustard. What's wrong with Will?
I want to get my food. I just get everybody food.
No. What are you talking about? She didn't give nobody their food. What are you talking about, baby? You ready to eat? You ready to eat? Aw, it's coming. Marcus, you ready to eat? Makari, are you ready to eat? You ready to eat? Yeah. McCoy, are you ready to eat?
Yeah, you trying to turn to me. On me.
Babe, are you ready to eat?
I got the cheddar.
He got the jitters.
Ooh, ooh.
It's coming, y'all. OMG, the food is. Everybody's ready to eat.
No. Wait for the chicken strips to
What we waiting for, babe?
The chicken strips to come on.
Oh, Winter. Say, Daddy, can we just eat?
Actually, come on. Here we go. You want this one?
Yeah.
No.
All right, babe, you gotta hold my cord.
Hold on, McCall.
It's so good.
Daddy blowing it. Makari, you ready to eat, son? Say chicken. Wait, Bobby, eat. Wait. Marcus, you ready to eat?
It's so spicy.
It's spicy.
It's so spicy.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my goodness.
delicious.
Thank you so much. Babe, the food is so hot. Like the steam is coming to my face.
I eat all of it. Daddy, I eat all of it.
Okay, that's it.
Do you want some more?
McCall?
Some fries. He's trying to eat it with a fork. Baby, eat the fry with your hand.
Whoa. Don't eat so much, your stomach hurts.
What?
Huh?
You didn't want to eat it? I'm just saying. Open your mouth. Mmm. Mmm. That was good. Mmm. Alright. Alright. Stop crying, son. Why are you crying? It's okay, but it's okay. Alright. Marcus, put your jacket on. Put your arm in. Uh-oh. You ready? Alright, you go get in your seat. You got everything? Babe, we not taking nothing with us?
We taking those other bottles.
All right, Marcus, hold your brother's hand. Hold your brother's hand. Winter, hold your brother's hand.
Take that Dunkin' Donuts.
Bye. Thank you so much. I got all of it. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye, y'all. We are out of here.